Welcome to NIDHI Solutions. In this video, we will see the installation of magnetic stirrer with hot plate. Simply plug in the socket into the 230 volt supply. Then start the main switch given on the panel. The red indication will start. Then there is a speed regulator given on the main panel. Simply rotate the regulator in the clockwise direction. You can put the desired speed as you want. The full capacity runs 1500 rpm. Okay, and there is a one energy regulator for heating also, to control the heating also. You can maintain the speed as per your requirement, and then you can rotate the energy regulator to start the heating. As the heating starts, the heat light indication light will start. This is the magnetic stirrer with hot plate for 2 liters capacity, manufactured by NIDHI Solutions.